Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make an Excel graph with two y-axes. This powerful feature allows you to visualize two different data sets with varying scales on a single chart. We'll begin by selecting your data, including all relevant series and labels. Then, we'll insert a basic chart, like a column or line graph, from the Insert tab. This initial step sets the foundation for our dual-axis visualization, making complex data easier to understand at a glance. Now that you have your initial chart, let's assign one of your data series to the secondary axis. Simply right-click on the data series you want to move. A context menu will appear, and from there, select Format Data Series. Within the Series Options tab, you'll find the crucial setting to choose Secondary Axis. This action immediately creates a second vertical axis on the right side of your chart, allowing for independent scaling of that specific data set. To enhance the clarity of your dual-axis chart, it's often beneficial to use different chart types for each series. For instance, you might want your primary data as columns and your secondary data as a line. To do this, right-click on the secondary data series again and select Change Series Chart Type. From the options, choose a line graph, perhaps line with markers, to clearly distinguish it from your primary data. This visual separation makes your chart much easier to interpret. Finally, let's refine your dual-axis chart for maximum impact and readability. It's essential to add clear axis titles for both your primary and secondary y-axes, explaining what each represents. You should also adjust the axis scales and number formats to ensure your data is presented accurately and legibly. Don't forget to include a legend to easily distinguish between your two data series. These final touches will make your chart professional and highly informative for your audience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.